Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video I will be creating a double carrier. This is a small gift box or a gift bag or whatever you want to call it. They are really cute and super easy to put together, and you have all you need in this die set from iCrafter. And I will show you here how you can cut out of a standard letter size paper two pieces that you need, and this is the way you can use it and run it through your standard die cutting machine. And then you can just crease on all the lines that you see here. So you need two of these bigger pieces to make this work, and I'm just creasing all of that, and I'm doing the same thing to the other piece. And this was the first time ever I put this box together or bag together, and it was really super easy. You can see here I was just trying to see how it was going to work, and it all sort of pulled itself together, if that makes sense. It was really easy to know everything, where to put the glue or adhesive. So I use some strong score tape for my boxes. If I would do this again, or when I'm doing this again, I probably would use a combination of both liquid adhesive and strong double-sided tape, because when I'm looking at my products at the moment, the tape wasn't strong enough, so I'm going here and just pressing it together once more. It's no biggie, but if you want the recipient to never have to do that, I would use some liquid glue as well. But I just like the strong score tape because it's easy when you're using mechanism like this to get it right and to get everything to fold nicely, and you don't have to wait for the adhesive to dry. So you can see I'm just folding it over itself, and it's super easy to know exactly where all of these will go together. So here you can see our box, and I'm just making sure that all the box mechanism here is working well, and then we can fold in at the bottom of the box. And here I will just put some adhesive as well, and just tie this together. And you can see our box is pretty much finished here. I will use some liquid glue for the top here, the handle, and then we're done with the first of our 3 projects today. And then comes the fun part. I always love the part where you're going to decorate it. It's my most favorite part of all the card making processes or projects overall. And this little Christmas box here I think is just adorable. So I'm just making sure that everything is aligned and it looks perfect. And I would use some strong cardstock for this. I used some Nina 100-pound cardstock when I put this together, and it worked really nicely. So here is a decorate piece that you can use and cut out of some pattern paper. And here is another decorate piece that comes in this set that you can decorate the side with. So I used some pattern paper that I had in my stash. You can use whatever you have. And then I'm going ahead and decorating this, just putting some liquid glue and aligning everything up. And then I will go ahead and do the other side as well. And then our box is finished, and here it looks this is how it looks when all the sides are decorated. And I will do a more traditional Christmas box as well, and this time I started off by putting all of the decorate pieces on the box before I assembled it. You can do whatever. I just wanted to show 2 different ways to do this. Both ways work perfectly fine. So when I was done with this, I creased all the lines, or the pre-scored lines for you here, and just bending them a little bit more. And then this time I used some runner adhesive instead of liquid glue or score tape, and that also worked really nicely, and for the bottom part as well. And for this I used liquid glue because it's just easier to get in with that fine nozzle than fiddling around with some other adhesive. And I had some helping hands here, as you can see. And this would actually be a really nice project to do with kids or together with friends, because they are really easy to prepare and create, and then you can just do the fun part of assembling the boxes and adhering the decorate pieces together. I just took a marker and color the backside of my specialty paper here, because I know I was going to see the back of it in the carrier here. So I just wanted it to look red on the other side as well. So I did a couple of different options here. I did one with that is more traditional holiday colors, and one is more birthday themed, and I did one just with the decoration parts, more of a party vibe, and you can use it for any occasion. And it comes with all of these decorative pieces, so the banner and everything comes in this die set from iCrafter. I think that is really clever, so you can decorate it however you like. And I just come up with some suggestions with stuff I already had around the house. So I used some tissue papers and some other bits and pieces that I had. I did one with lollipops. This was in mind for my daughter. She was like nagging me about candy, so I thought this would be a cute one. But of course you can use whatever little small bits and pieces that fits in this one. I did one with nail polish that I just also had in my house, so you can use whatever. And I think this really nicely fits inside of this carrier. And yeah, so here is how it looks. And I had a second one that is more Christmas themed, so I have all of these bits and pieces that you can use for like decorations around the house. So I just thought that was super cute. So I hope you get inspired to create some double carrier. I was really impressed with this die set, and I really liked the result and how easy everything was to put together. So I know I will be creating a lot of these for the holidays. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!